This is a dollar bill. And in order to get this, you need to work. And to get a few more of his friends, you need to work harder. Money doesn't grow on trees, and I don't want you paying unnecessary deductibles or paying more for electricity than you should. Because a lint clogged dryer not only takes longer to dry your clothes and is a fire hazard, but it will also try to separate you from your friends. So stick around, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your dryer with confidence. Now I just want to mention before we start that cleaning your dryer is essentially lint removal, because lint is very flammable, and when you have lint inside this thing that doesn't get cleaned out, it can be a fire hazard, as I mentioned, and also it takes a lot longer to dry your clothes when you have lint restricting the airflow, thus costing you more for electricity. The first thing we need to do in order to clean our dryer is to unplug it, or turn off the gas valve if you have a gas-powered dryer. Next, what we need to do is open up the dryer here, and we need to clean the air filter here. So we got this stuff. Take and throw this away and give this a good vacuum. This part right here inside is called the housing, and we can stick it inside of here and we can vacuum out any lint that's trapped inside. So let's do that. Next thing we need to do is disconnect the hose from the wall and the hose from the washer here, and we're going to clean this hose out to make sure it's not clogged. Put it together like this as best you can, and you can see right through there. There's a little bit of lint inside. We're going to vacuum that out now. And we also need to vacuum inside the dryer as well, right here where we took the hose off. Look at that. Lint. Lastly, come over to the part where you unhooked the discharge hose from the wall, and we're going to vacuum it out. You can see where it goes out to the outside of my house, right there, the light. But you can also see it's got lint inside. Now if you see any sweat on me, I am recording this video in my garage in the summertime, so it's a little hot out here. I just want to mention real quick that the purpose of this lint removal process is not perfection. We're not trying to get 100% of the lint out. We just want to make sure that it's not restricted airflow wise. Lastly, to finish this up, take your favorite all-purpose cleaner, spray her down, take your microfiber cloth, and just give her a good wipe down. Wipe down any lint and dirt that might be on the dryer. Shine her up, give her a little bit of love here, just for being awesome. And for taking care of you and serving you for all of your drying needs. One last thing I want to mention is, if you noticed in the video when I was doing all the vacuuming, the wall outlets to the vent in my house, that goes to the outside of my house, you saw the light, right? It's a very short distance. It was only like a foot that I had to vacuum out. But for some people, from the wall outlet all the way to wherever the dryer vents in your house can be very long. It can be a very long piece of duct, and that's got to be cleaned out, and you got to make sure that's not clogged up as well. In order to do that, unfortunately, you're going to have to purchase what's called a dryer cleaning kit. You can get them off Amazon. I will leave one listed and linked down below in the video description box. You can get it from there, or go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot, see if they sell one, or just call a professional and have it done for you. Whatever you want to do. But you're going to have to make sure that gets cleaned out as well. And basically all it is these skinny things that are really flexible that you screw together. It gets really, really long. There's a brush at the end of it, and you attach it to a drill, pull the trigger, and then it cleans out that entire duct to make sure that there's no restrictions. So if that's your case, if your vent is way far off, then you're gonna have to go that route to ensure that it's cleaned out as well. So that's it, my friends. That is how to clean your dryer. Thanks so much for checking out the video. If you liked the video and it saved you one of these, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more great content. And until next time, implement the steps I have outlined in this video, and you will be well on your way to becoming the domesticated cleaning savage that I know you are.